If you're looking for amplifiers by Digiteck, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Digiteck. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Digiteck. Number 3. Get yours now. Click this circle and get your favorite amplifiers now. Number 4. Number 5, also by Digiteck. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.